Good morning, class, and I welcome you all to class 11th. And it's glad you all have selected the commerce field for your higher educations. So we are here with the one of the subject of commerce, that is accountancy. This is the book that you all have to refer. That the name of the book will be D.K. Goyal. You have to go with the latest edition, whichever is available in the market. So the subject name is accountancy. I know this is the word which you all are hearing for the very first time. So first of all, let's get through this name, and let's have some basic knowledge regarding this subject, that what all topics, what all things you all have to do in accounting or accountancy. First of all, let's start with the basic thing, that is meaning of accounting. Class, before moving further, I would like to tell you that a commerce student is always related to some business. A commerce student is doing his or her higher studies to find out a job in some recognized business institution or in some good very business organization. So I must tell you that a very basic objective of each and every business organization is to earn more and more profit. And to earn more and more profit, we have to know all kind of things, that how can we calculate our profit. So for calculating that profit, this accountancy or this accounting subject will be a good help for you. So first of all, let's go through with the meaning of accounting. Here we are having three different types of definition provided by different persons, but the basic information which is easy and which will be useful to all you will be: accounting is the art of recording, classifying, and summarizing in a significant manner and in terms of money, transactions, and events which are in part at least of a financial character, and interpreting the result thereof. तो बेसिकली ये क्या है कि अकाउंटिंग इज अ आर्ट in which we have to record our basic and our daily transactions, and such transactions must be in some financial nature or some financial character, and those transactions should also interpret some kind of accounting results for a particular time period. So this is what we have to do in accounting, that is, we have to record the daily transactions of our business. Now the word comes is transaction. What do you mean by transaction? So class, I'll provide you the basic definition of this afterwards, but for right now we can say that the work in what we are doing in business, for an example, we are selling our goods, we are producing our goods, we are purchasing some kind of things from the market. Whatever the things are going on in our business in a financial nature, that means that particular thing should related to some money product, that particular event should be considered as transaction. So this is a normal intro of the word transaction. I'll provide you the brief definition afterwards when you will go through some basic terms as well. So this is all about the meaning of accounting, and through this meaning class we are having some of the characteristics with us. The basic first characteristic is accounting is an art as well as science. Class, accounting is treated as arts as well as science both, just because it includes all the characteristics, not all, few characteristics of art as well as few characteristics of science as well. For an example, in science, the theory of science or the science subject is totally based on some experiments. In the similar manner, the accounting is also depend on some basic experiments and on the research of the different personnels. After this, the second characteristic we are having is recording of financial transactions only. Now what this characteristic just provide us? This characteristic states that in accountancy, we have to record only those transactions which are in financial nature. That means that particular transaction should have some of currency involvement in it. Then recording in terms of money. Whatever transactions we are recording, we should record them in the terms of money, in the terms of numbers. For an example, purchase of 10 trucks. Purchase of 10 trucks is not a transaction that can be recorded because we are not having its financial term. We are not having its amount that we have invested. And if the transaction will be 10 trucks have been purchased at the rate of rupees 10 lakh per truck, now this transaction can be recorded. Why? Because now it has been considered in the money terms. अब हमारे पास में इसकी मनी की वैल्यू आ गई है कि हमने इसमें कितने पैसा इन्वेस्ट करा, तो इसलिए अब हम उसको रिकॉर्ड कर सकते हैं. After that we are having classifying and summarizing. Now let's come to our another topic, that is accounting cycle. What is accounting cycle? Class, accounting cycle states that all the things which you have to perform while doing accounting work in a particular year, or you can say in a particular time period. So this cycle starts from here. Sky cycle starts from transaction. Class, from transaction you have to pass the journal entries of that particular transaction. From journal entries you have to prepare their ledger accounts. From the ledger accounts you have to prepare its trial balance, and from this trial balance you have to prepare the trading, profit and loss account and the balance sheet of that particular year. After preparing all these things, your accounting year will get end and you will definitely get some kind of financial results in your hand. And after that, when new accounting year will start, again you have to start the cycle from transaction and it will go on as the same. Here we are having some different books of original entry. We'll go through this part afterwards. And class, I know these terms are very much new for you all, and I know you all are unaware about these terms, but don't worry, we'll discuss on each and every term on later on in our different sessions. First of all, we are covering the basic part of accounting. Alright, so class, after going through the characteristics, now let's talk about some objectives of accounting. That why we are doing accounting, हम accounts पढ़ते क्यों हैं, क्या काम हमें accounting में करना होता है. Let's go through these things. First of all, the very first objective of accounting is to keep systematic record of business transactions. Class, the main let me explain this objective. When we are dealing with some business organization, in each day every business organization performs n number of transactions. That means they have to purchase or sell goods at a very huge quantity. So it is impossible for a businessman to remember all such transactions of a whole year or for a day or for a week. लाइक हम एक दिन के ट्रांजेक्शन याद रख सकते हैं, हम 2 दिन के याद रख सकते हैं, लेकिन अगर हमसे पूछा जाए कि साल भर में आपने कितने ट्रांजेक्शन करे, तो इट इज़ इम्पॉसिबल फॉर अस टू रिमेंबर दीज ट्रांजेक्शंस. सो अकाउंटिंग इज़ द बेस्ट मेथड to remember all such kind of transaction. And by what will be the way, we have to record these transactions in a systematic manner, or we have to make a systematic record of these business transactions. All right, now the second very basic objective is to calculate profit or loss. Class, each and every businessman is doing his business just with the one major motive, that is to earn profit. And each businessman desires to know that what will be the ending result of his labor, what he have provided. So for that particular calculation of profit or loss, we have to follow the accounting and we have to follow the accounting procedures. After that, we are having to know the exact reason leading to net profit or net loss. What are the reasons behind the financial results, or we can say what will be the reason behind the financial result as in profit or loss that we have achieved, that we have calculated after a certain time period. And there are certain objectives as well. Let's talk about some functions of accounting. Again, maintaining complete and systematic record, communicating the financial results into various parties. This is what, that we have to communicate our financial result to different parties as well. For an example, we have to communicate profit or loss to the government for paying of taxation and all, protecting the assets of business, providing assistance to management, and there are many different kind of things. Now class, one last topic of today, that is bookkeeping, accounting and accountancy. Class, what do you mean by bookkeeping? Here a different word comes, that is bookkeeping. So bookkeeping is what? Bookkeeping is transaction journal or these other subsidiary books. When we are following only these two steps will be considered as bookkeeping. But if we are going through the whole accounting cycle, this will be considered as accounting. This is the very basic difference I have told you, that if we are following only these two steps, that is transaction and journal entries, transaction and subsidiary books, then this will be considered as bookkeeping. And if we are going through if we are following the full accounting cycle and we are preparing all the required financial statements, then it will be considered as accounting. So that's all for today, and thank you.